If you need to request a refund from Expedia, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Review your booking details. Check your booking confirmation email or log into your Expedia account to find the details of your reservation. Make sure to note the cancellation policy and any specific terms related to refunds. Step 2. Visit the Expedia website. Go to the Expedia website and navigate to the My Trips section. Sign into your account and locate the trip for which you want a refund. Step 3. Initiate the refund process. Select the trip and look for the option to cancel or request a refund. Follow the prompts provided on the website, ensuring that you provide any necessary information or documentation required for the refund request. Step 4. Contact customer service if needed. If you encounter any issues or have questions about your refund, reach out to Expedia's customer service. You can do this by phone, chat, or email, and be prepared to provide your booking details for assistance. Step 5. Monitor your refund status. After submitting your refund request, keep an eye on your email for updates from Expedia regarding the status of your refund. It may take several days to process, so be patient and check back if you don't see any updates. Following these steps will help you navigate the refund process with Expedia effectively. Good luck!